In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip a file with 7-zip. We're keeping this simple and fast, but I'll also explain what's happening so you feel confident every time you do it. If you're new to compressed files, a zip file is just a container that packs one or more files together to save space and make sharing easier. 7-zip is a popular free tool that integrates with the right-click menu in Windows, so you can extract files in just a couple of clicks. First, locate the zip file you want to open. You can recognize it by the .zip extension and the icon that usually looks like a compressed folder. Click it once to highlight it. With the file selected, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while still holding Shift, right-click the zip file. Holding Shift brings up an extended context menu in Windows, which is useful when you want to make sure you see all available options. In the menu that appears, look for the 7-zip entry. Move your cursor to 7-zip to open its submenu, then choose Extract here. That's it. 7-zip will immediately start unpacking the contents of the zip file right into the same folder where the zip file currently lives. You'll usually see a quick progress window if the archive is large, otherwise it might finish almost instantly. After extraction, check the folder you're in. If the zip contained a single folder, you'll now see that folder appear alongside the original zip file. If the zip contained multiple files at the top level, those files will appear directly in this folder. That's exactly what extract here does. It places the contents right here without creating an extra parent folder. This is perfect when the archive is already neatly organized inside one folder. If it isn't, just be aware that several files may show up at once in your current directory. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If you're prompted about existing files with the same names, that means there are duplicates in this folder. Read the prompt carefully and choose the option that best fits your situation. Also, large archives can take longer to unpack, especially if they're on a slower drive. During extraction, avoid moving or renaming the zip file to prevent interruptions. Once the process completes, you can open the newly extracted folder or files and start using them right away. If you were simply trying to access what was inside the zip, you're done. That's the straightforward way to unzip a file with 7-zip using the right-click menu and extract here.